Hello everyone, it's Amir Safa, Senior FX Consultant at Worldwide Currencies. Today I'm going to run you through what happened to the pound, euro and dollar over the course of this week. So let's just jump right in. So onto the pound. The pound has been quite stagnant this week. Now that the UK has actually left the EU, the focus has really shifted to the coronavirus situation in the UK. So Boris Johnson announced a third national lockdown earlier this week. And concerns have been raised about what the economic impacts of this might actually be. And although the market will have to wait for economic data to really assess the damage of the lockdown, there are rumours that the Bank of England will cut interest rates into the negative territory. So there's been more talk of that. So as a result, the pound has seen limited gains this week against both the euro and the dollar. Onto the euro, it remains strong overall. This is mainly driven by pretty strong economic data coming out from the Eurozone, and in particular Germany. German unemployment change came out better than expected earlier this week, but really the highlight was German retail sales, which came out at 1.9% compared to the expected figure of minus 2.0%. That was forecast. However, the concern on the euro front is that there's been a very slow coronavirus vaccine rollout. So over the next few weeks, we'll see how that develops, and that could impact the euro in some capacity. Onto the dollar, lastly, it remains weak due to a lack of its safe haven status. Essentially because the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has started to roll out, the market is taking a more of a risk-on approach and investing in emerging markets as opposed to US-denominated bonds. But also, the Democrats won the Georgia Senate runoff elections, which essentially gives the Democrats the majority control of the Senate. And what that means is incoming President Joe Biden will have an easier time getting his economic policies through government with his party as the majority in the Senate. So overall, the pound remains really stagnant. The euro remains strong, largely driven by data, and the dollar also remains weak due to a lack of demand for its safe haven status. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.